look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1970 Chevrolet Corvette. Nice looking coupe. Of course with T-tops. Color on this one, Corvette bronze, and that is the original color this would have came with. 993 Corvette only color. Be the paint coat on it. Interior black vinyl. 400 would be the trim tag code for the interior. So this one's looking very similar to the way it would have when it came from Chevrolet back in 1970. Also equipped with AC underneath the hood. Does have a 350 V8 underneath there. Unlike you're going to see on the LT1 in the hood, this is a 350 underneath hood. That is paired up with a numbers matching 4-speed transmission. I want to give you the heads up on that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car all the way around, underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We'll kind of show you something if I can get it to show up. I wanted to show you the front bumper and fascia here first of all. Chrome looks good. This car was restored a little over 5,000 miles ago and 8 years as far as time frame. Now, what you're going to see is kind of depending on the angle that I get on this hood, there'll be a few spots where it looks just a little bit lighter. It's kind of the way the paint color flops, if that makes sense to you, if you know what I'm saying. If I come around back here, looks a little darker than it will if I'm straight on. So in the pictures and the videos, the hood, there's spots where it looks like here, which is just a little bit lighter. Yeah, it might be slightly in person, but it's really the way the light reflects and it's the way the color flops. It is a cool looking color and great looking car in person. Now, you may also have a few little touch-ups, a few little imperfections along the way, if you can see that right there. And again, it really, if I get up close on it, it washes this paint out. The real color of this paint is like right there. And it shows up pretty true to the color in the still pictures. But kind of trying to give you a real idea how it looks in person. Sometimes a little tough to bring across to how good a car looks in a video or in pictures. All right, as you can see, riding on the rally style Corvette, wheels be up good rich radials. Take a look up and down the side of this car. Again, you can see the paint shows very, very well. Interior also in nice shape, black vinyl buckets. There's a 4-speed manual transmission, and again, that is numbers matching. And we're gonna fire this up so you can hear it run at the end of the video here. Let you check it out. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see that paint is just like glass. It is definitely a nice paint job. T-tops do come with the storage bags, and there will also be a car cover that will be included in it, and those will be in the cargo area. You can also see pictures of that cargo area and the interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. There's also a bundle of receipts, what was done on this car, that will go along with it to the next owner. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. Then I'm going to fire it up, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Again, driver's side looking good too. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome. Everything's finished up here. Also in nice shape. Door panels look good. You'll be able to see pictures underneath that floor mat of the carpeting, and with the still pictures, that's also in good shape. As you can see, the vinyl seats free of rips, tears, holes, and that goes for both sides. Padded armrest. That is an insert that goes above that center console. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Take a listen to that 350 underneath the hood. As you can see, fires right up. There's the miles since restoration, 5,060. That means see that or not. There you go, 5,060. Sounds good. Check out the rest of the dash here. Again, AC car. Slip around to the back so you do this run. Oh, a nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. Let's check out the engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go with the hood pop. Again, 350. Not claiming to be numbers. Tranny is numbers. MSD ignition, Hedman headers. See the AC compressor over on the other side. Nice, tidy looking engine bay. Again, a lot of things are gone through on the engine bay, which is restored too. And again, receipts that will go with this car. All right. There's that. Now, something else that I wanted to show you real quick. Could have done it when we were inside the car. But I'll come back to it. Radio does work. I'll show you that. The radio working. I'm going to pull these headlights. Wanted to check that also. But then one of them on the 70s windshield wiper. So windshield wiper door works. Close that back up quick. Takes a little bit and that goes back down. So let's go ahead and check those headlights out. And as you can see, headlights come up and work fine also. In a little bit of time, so the wiper door will be down also. So there you go. I wanted to cover those things real quick too. 1970 Chevrolet Corvette. 350 under the hood, numbers matching, 4-speed. 993 paint code and Corvette bronze. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.